This video is for Philips LatteGo with no frost milk or no hot water issue. We're gonna fix it, and you can see that the steam coming from the internal of the coffee machine instead of going out from the milk froster. Here's my disclaimer for this video. Use this video at your own risk. Warning, you may be injured, shocked, or even death during the repair work. You may damage the coffee machine, and better find a certified shop for the repair. First, you need to go to Philips to purchase this three-way valve. I believe 3000, 4000, and 5000 LatteGo all share the same part. And then you need to get this T10 or H2 bit for removing the screws. I also have a parts compartment so that I can save my parts in order. And all my parts are tools are purchased from Harbor Freight, this $30 tool set. Removing coffee bean from the hoppers, and better use a vacuum cleaner to suck out all the coffee powders from this hopper. Remove the coffee bean cover and use the vacuum cleaner to further clean up. Just pull the coffee course adjustment knob from the hopper. Remove the 3 screws from the coffee hopper and pulling from the end toward the front, and just removing the whole panel out from the top. See, there's a lot of powder in the machine once you remove the top, just using the vacuum cleaner to clean up. You can see the 3-way valve from the top, but you need to remove the other panel first. Unscrew the 2 screws from the back and remove the back panel. Remove the top 2 screws from the side panel. You need to remove the 1 more screw from the front before you can remove the side panel. Pull the side panel toward the rear, and then you can remove the side panel. Use a plier to remove the cables from the valve. I use a marker to mark one of the white cables so to identify the direction later on for installation. Use a plier to remove the hose clamp and remove the hose from the top. Remove the water source hose.
Okay.
Squeeze the cables from the side, and then you can remove the valve and remove the hose clamp from the bottom and remove the hose.
Okay, stop.
Remove the additional gasket from the old valve and apply it to the hot water hose on these 2 hot water hoses, so that will be easier later on to install. Make sure the valve's in the right direction, and then insert the 2 hot water hoses back to the valve and apply the hose clamp. Connect the water source hose back to the new valve. Clip the new valve back into the place and connecting the cables back.
Okay.
And we are almost ready for the testing.
And then put it back. Okay, put the power back. And ground. We'll slide it to it. Okay. Everything looks good. Okay.
Connect the power and turn on the machine. Wait for the ring cycle and check for the leak.
Let's do a hot water first. Yeah, it works. Oops.
check froth milk, and check for leaks. And it works. Put all the panel back and install everything, and now you have a good LatteGo again. It took me less than an hour to replace the valve. I hope you like my video, and good luck.